Hello students. Today I am going to tell you a story of a river. Can anybody recollect what will be the story of river? No? See, you all are in villages now. You can see many small springs plopping out of the ground or from the hills. A small stream is flowing from the hills. It comes down from the hills by making a sound, plop plop, pitter patter, pitter patter. It had become a little stream. Now this little stream is passing through a field. You might have seen in the villages during rainy season how a small little stream, the small little water is flowing from the fields. You can even jump over it. The children's love whenever they see the water slogging in the little holes. You like to jump over it, na? So same way, here when a little stream is flowing, the children are jumping, laughing and enjoying. But now this stream wants to grow bigger and bigger. It doesn't want to stay in one place. So it is moving and it comes and joins to another stream and one more another stream, and it become little big. Now these small streams are known as tributaries. Now a little stream has become quite big. Now it is not possible for small children to jump over it. They has to use a big long wooden plank, एक फल्ली ऐसा रख के फिर उसके ऊपर से चलना पड़ेगा. You cannot jump from that. So because now this stream has become big, the children are enjoying. You can see in the picture also. The children are enjoying. They are jumping in that water. They like to fish. The children are shouting, "Hey, I have caught one fish." And they are bathing in that river. They are putting small boats in that, making paper boats and putting in that river. Now the river is also happy because she loves children. They are playing in the water, in the river water. Now this river doesn't want to stand or doesn't want to remain still on one place. It is moving. Whatever comes in front of it, it just tears it off. And all the small bits of rocks, soil, stones, everything she is carrying along with her. And she is moving on to become more bigger and bigger. Now she has reached a small village. You can see here, now she has grown big. Now the people has to build a bridge to cross over her. After leaving the village, it is passing many more fields, cattle, sheep are grazing on its bank. To a bigger surprise, she enters into a small town where hundreds of little small boats you can see moving in the river water. The children are very cheerful. The people are very happy to do the boating in the river. They wanted to stay in the river and do the boating. Even when you go for a picnic and all, you like to do boating, to be in the river. Same way these children also. But now the river doesn't want to wait. It is moving around. It moves in the trees, the green fields, until it comes to a huge town called a city, which is now to a city. See, from where it has started the journey, from a spring, from a small hill, coming down, becoming a stream. It is flowing from the fields, then it reaches the village. And now this river has grown little bigger and bigger, and it reaches where? A city. At first she is very pleased. She was very happy to see big building, big bridges, which is moving over her. But later, when she moves on further, And when she saw big pipes with dirty waters are flowing in her, big buildings with tall, smoky chimneys, which are all standing on its bank, she felt very sad. Now, why the river is sad? Because her water is getting polluted. Her water has become dirty because all the city people, the factories' dirt, everything is the dirty water is flown in the river. So she became very sad and she started saying, I am no more beautiful and clean. But at last she became little satisfied. Now why she was satisfied? Because she was very useful to the people. Now how she became useful to the people? Because you can see on the river when the ships, big ships, reaches at the docks. Docks is a place where the ships are halted. It is a station, like how trains halt on the station, bus stands on the bus stand. Same way, where the ships are halted, it is known as docks. Here it began to get excited because she sees big ships and everyone are very busy in loading and unloading the goods. There is great hustle and bustle, a big noise while moving all kinds of good, loading and unloading. Big cargo ships are there, liners are there. Many food, many materials, big things are coming through these liners. They are unloaded at the docks. People can move in the ship from one country to another. She is more bigger and more beautiful now. No wonder she was very excited. But then too, she had a little feeling that I am not that strong enough to carry all these big, huge ships. But to her great surprise, as she was moving on, she met the sea and she started flowing into the sea. When she joined the sea, she became very big, huge. And she was very happy to see herself joining the sea. Why she was happy? Because she fulfilled her dream. It was her dream to become a more big. River is a smaller than the sea. And now she has turned into a sea. She said, this is where I belong. So that is why I never stopped. Now I am perfectly happy. Why I am happy? Because my dream has come to an end, a beautiful end. I have joined the sea. I have become a huge sea now. Understood the story of the river? How from a small spring it passes through the hills, the fields. It turns into a stream. And when one stream joins the other stream, it becomes a tributary. And from that small tributary, it grows and grows. And then it passes to the villages, then sea, then the cities. And now it has turned into a sea. When our dream is fulfilled, children, we all are happy, na? Even you all are seeing a dream, na? That when you grow up, you will become some doctor. Some will say, no, I will become a judge. I will become a lawyer. And when your dream comes to fulfillment, you become very happy. So same way, when this a small spring, when she turned out to be a sea, she became very happy. So this was the story about a river. I hope you all understood. Thank you.